Arigato. Thank you so much. Today we are with the mushroom soup. The flavor of the mushroom is very clear and very strong. Me and my chef, Jafar. Today we will introduce some simple and so delicious soup. You can find the mushroom everywhere. So we will use eringi mushroom and some brown mushroom. First of all, we'll chop the onion very small, and we chop even the mushroom. We will saute the onion first of all with the oil, and then we will add the mushrooms, whatever kinds you like. You can mix 2, 3, 4. Please don't forget the water as every soup. Before we add the cream, we will blend the mushroom. It's very nice if you leave some little chopped mushroom, not to be so soft. Then we will add the cream finally. Then we will add the black pepper and the salt. Mushroom soup is ready now. Please, dozo. Please, you can do it very easily, even if you are busy. I wish you try it and you will like it.